Hey Liv, sorry for the lateness. I was kind of sick all weekend. Here's the video. Here's the question. 4007 times 2002. Now, what they're trying to do here is they're trying to say, okay, we can think about this number as 2000 plus 2, right? So if we take each of those numbers and multiply it by that top number, and then add those two numbers together, we'll be there. Kind of a shortcut, but like this is kind of a pretty specific situation. So I might be more inclined, I'll show you this way if you want, but I would be more inclined just to do it out the old school way. 7 and 2 is 14. Carry that over, that's 0 plus 1, 0, and we're going to get an 8. To move over, I'm going to add a 0, but we know that 0 times all this stuff is just going to be 4 zeros, right? 3, 4. Then we're going to add 2 zeros to move us over one more, and again, there's going to be 4 zeros there because all those numbers are going to go to 0. Then we're going to put 3 zeros in, and now we can multiply again. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 times 0 plus 1 is 1. 0. And then we have 4 times 2, which is 8. So then you could kind of add all that together, right? 4, 1, 0, 12. Carry the 1, 2, 0, and 8. So that would be our answer. A lot of zeros in this case. What they're trying to say, and that's totally fine. Like if you just want to old school it like that, just make sure your zeros get all nice and lined up so you don't mix anything up. That's the way that I would do that. What they're trying to say is let's do 4007 times 2000 first. Okay? And we basically know that we're going to have a whole bunch of zeros. So we can just start right here at this digit because that would be zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros, 6 zeros, right? So we might as well just start right here. Put the 4, 1 up. There's our 4, 0, and then we get an 8. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll go 4007, but we'll times it by 2. 7 and 2 is 14. That's going to give us, 0 and 8 again. And then basically, we could just kind of combine those in some way, right? So that's going to give us, we'll just stack them vertically, 8014 and 8014. Add them up. Okay, not really my preferred method, but that seems to be what they're trying to show you. Okay, so again, if in doubt, and I would really recommend that you old school multiply that. Like that doesn't even look right to me. Maybe that should be pretty small. That seems too small. Maybe I messed up something there. 2000 plus 2. So, yeah. I mean, what I would do, Liv, is just old school multiply, buddy, myself. That'll never lead you astray. Hope that helps.